Two engineers, identical output. One gets a top rating, the other gets average. Same company, different managers. That inconsistency is exactly the performance calibration problem every senior leader has to solve. The foundation of fair calibration is the calibration session. A structured meeting where managers across teams review ratings side by side, not in isolation. Each manager presents their top and bottom performers and backs every rating with concrete behavioral examples. When a manager says exceeds expectations, they have to show what that actually looked like. Hearing other managers' examples forces everyone to confront their own grading standards. This surfaces outliers and builds consensus before any decisions become final. But calibration sessions only work if managers share a common language. That's where consistent rubrics and competency frameworks come in. Each performance level needs clear behavioral anchors. Specific, observable actions, not vague adjectives. An exceeds rating on one team should mean the same thing as exceeds on another. When anchors are written down and concrete, managers argue about facts, not feelings. And that's exactly the friction you want in the room. Raw ratings also need context. A senior engineer maintaining a decade-old legacy system and a junior shipping a greenfield product aren't directly comparable. Strong calibration normalizes for team size, project complexity, and tenure. You're surfacing relative performance within a fair context, not just comparing raw output numbers. Finally, include skip-level or cross-functional reviewers to challenge individual manager blind spots. And audit rating distributions after every review cycle. If one manager consistently gives everyone top marks while others spread ratings evenly, that divergence is a signal worth investigating before it becomes a pattern. Calibrate performance ratings with structured cross-manager sessions, shared behavioral anchors, context normalization, and regular distribution audits. Try answering this one yourself in the comments. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.